How to fix Discord forum channel not working? Well, to fix a Discord forum channel that is not working, you first need to determine if the issue is the local app glitch, a server permission misconfiguration, or a global Discord outage. Well, first thing, immediately force close or force update your app. So press Ctrl plus R and that should refresh your Discord application quickly, as you can see on the screen on your desktop. If you're using MacBook, you want to press Command plus R. Either ways, once you have done so, it should fix the issue and see if the issue is fixed. Now also check the Discord outage status. Head into this into your web and check on down detector websites to see if the Discord server is down. Now if not, then it probably indicates a application glitch, right, or a connection glitch. So make sure you have a strong Wi-Fi connection. And to fix the Discord app glitch, you want to make sure you update to the latest version and also restart your device to fix any glitches or bugs. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe.